Okay, welcome to my computer networks project, the Battleship implementation. My name is Leo McGill, student number 23334544. So let's get started. We have the server running here, we've got 4 clients connected. Let's give them all usernames before we get into the tiers. Give this one TR for top right, TL for top left, username BL bottom left, username BR bottom right. Now concurrency issues to fix. As you will see, all messages are placed in order like they should. Tier 1.2 server and 2 clients. Clearly my server is handling 2+ clients, which is great. Now let's get into tier 1.3, basic game flow. Upon starting the game, you're prompted to place your ships. For simplicity, we're going to use a 5x5 board with 1 ship of length 3 for the demonstration. So my ship is now placed on A 1, 2, and 3. I want to place it at C3, vertically, put our ship there. As you'll see, the spectators get notifications of the game, and we can start firing. Basic gameplay, let's say I miss, I fire at B1. It is tracked on the board here, and then the other player can fire at the board there. Let's fire at A1, it's going to be a hit. Now we can see what the opponent has hit on our boards. Simple client server message exchange, tier 1.4. As you can see, we're getting results, getting notifications, the server's printing our boards correctly, and it's all looking good. Let's fire at A1 here and miss. Tier 1.5 no disconnection handling, we'll cover that later in tier 2.4, but for now it's working well. Let's go to tier 2.1, extended input validation. Let's say I fire an invalid coordinate, A11, invalid coordinate, and we're prompted to fire again. This is for all inputs, all our place commands, our username inputs, and at the end you'll see it's with our rematch yes or no inputs as well. Tier 2.2, support multiple games. We'll see that in a second. If I finish this game off, fire A2, it's going to be a hit. He's only got 1 space left, so we can finish it off next turn. Let's fire at A3. Now the game's over, and we can decide if we want to play again. If we type yes and yes, the game has started again between top right and top left, which is great, and we can begin placing. Now, timeout handling. We will see that here. If I am to wait 30 seconds, the turn is given to the other opponent. Tier 2.4, let's discuss that while waiting for the timeout. Disconnection handling. Let's do that now actually. If I disconnect, we get the notification here, opponent disconnected. And now if we start the client up again and give it the same username we logged in with, username top right, reconnected, and the game is resumed. And we can begin firing as normal. Let's wait for the timeout here. Perfect. The game is timed out after 30 seconds, and it's now the opponent's turn. That is tier 2.3 checked off. Tier 2.5, communication with extra clients. Players who are added after the game has started are given a spectator role, and they're notified with the game results. Tier 3.1, multiple concurrent connections. We have multiple clients here connected to the server. 2 of them are spectators and 2 of them are actual players. And now tier 3.2, the spectator experience. As you can see here, spectators are receiving a spectate type packet, and this informs them of both the players' boards and the results of the game. And if I'm to finish this game off, by sinking the ship, Clients receive a game over message here, and everyone receives the game between top right and top left has ended. Now let's say these two players do not want to play again. The spectators are promoted to game clients, so now the bottom left and the bottom right are playing a game against each other. I'll quickly reiterate what happens at the end of the game. We have given the option to play again, yes or no. If I'm to type yes for one client and no for the other, this client is going to be appended to the back to the clients list, and this client is going to be appended back to the spectators list. So because they're in the client list, we get placed into a game between bottom left and top left. Now this system is first come, first served. First clients to log in are at the front of the queue, and they get to play first. And then also spectators who have been spectating for the longest, they are promoted to clients first if available. Let's go through the packet system. We have simple packets defined with a sequence which is not shown on the output here. The client handler will strip the sequence from the server output, so the client is only receiving the packet type and the payload. The packets also include a checksum, which is the checksum. It is the sum of all the ASCII characters, or the value of the characters. And here we have chat messaging as well. So I can type, "Hello everyone," and the message appears. Now unfortunately this does not work if it is not your turn. I could not get the threading to work. This message will appear once it's their turn. So once I place the ship here, "Hello waiting" appears. But when it is your turn, chat, "Hey all," and everyone will receive it, all clients watching and any other clients. That is all for my demonstration. Thank you.